Welcome back to my channel. This is Coco, and for today's video I'm gonna show you my new favorite moisturizer. And yeah, so this is about arcticmiracles from rock&herb, and this is Brightening Angelica. So also you will find out how I do my new makeup routine, and yeah, and also you will get to know a lot of things about this product. Again, this is from rock&herb. Okay. Unboxing. Wow. Oh, this is it. Expiration date to 6 months once it's open. Made in Singapore for 98 Singaporean dollars. Wow, it's big. I thought it's just small. Wow, there's a spatula. Wow, it's too moisturizing. I love it. Thank you. I'm gonna make a review for this. Wow. Thank you, rock&herb. So this is how it looks like. And if you're wondering, I don't have any makeup on, so we're gonna apply this wonderful product from rock&herb. So this is how it looks like. So this is the box. So this one, it has 55 milligrams. So the ingredients, it has niacinamide. Niacinamide is for anti-wrinkles. Also, it has hyaluronic acid, Angelica dahurica root extract, and it's my first time applying Angelica dahurica extract on my skin. There. There you go. And it has rock&herb. There. So it comes with a spatula for hygienic purposes, and it's very nice. I love it. And we're gonna open it like this. Ooh, I hope you can smell it because it really smells so good. Oops. And this will cost you 98 Singaporean dollars or $71 USD. And if you're wondering why it's kind of expensive, I guess it's not that expensive for the people who are into product that has no paraben, natural, and it's good for people who are pregnant. So that's nice because it doesn't have any harmful ingredients. Let's try it on our skin here. Just a small amount that you need to apply. And it smells so good. Like, it will really like make your skin so smooth. And that's why this is my new favorite product. So I'm very excited to use it again. And I've been using it for like almost 5 days now from the time that it was sent to me, as I like to experience it on my skin before I make a video. And it's once you apply it on your skin, it feels so cold, and it glides like this. I love the scent of the, I believe it's the Angelica, and it's gonna brighten your skin in no time. It has moisturized your skin, like literally. I'm gonna use my new mirror. Alright. feels so cold when you applied it. It's so relaxing. At the same time, you feel very moisturized. This is why I made a video of this, not because it was sent to me. And you can order it at www.rock&herb.com. The scent of this rock&herb Arcticmiracles is so addicting. Yeah, so you need to apply it daily on skin after cleansing in the morning and night. So this is made in Singapore. So once you open it, it can only be used up to 6 months, as indicated on the back of the packaging. As you can see on the website, so it can brighten up and eliminate uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, melasma, discoloration with a multi-mechanistic blend of arbutin, angelica, dahurica extract, and vitamin B3 compatible anti-aging and brightening blend of vitamin B3, niacinamide, and vitamin C. And I love this because I'm getting a lot of currently I'm having freckles, and especially when you're exposed to the sunlight, to this kind of light, you need to have this kind of protection. And luckily I got this from rock&herb. So first of all, we're gonna apply our makeup and say hello to my new mirror. So I'm gonna apply sunscreen. This is from Eye and Lip. If you haven't watched my video previously, you can check it on the link below or on my channel. So we just applied SPF for sunscreen, and the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna apply cushion. So we're gonna apply concealer. We're gonna apply eyebrows. We're gonna use eyebrow mascara, my all-time favorite. So I'd like to introduce you to my new favorite eyeshadow palette, Chicaychico. Chicaychico. This is the base. Oops. And by the way, this is gonna be my birthday month. I'm kinda excited. Are you excited? Brown. So next for this is this one sprinkle. And then next is this. Blush. And don't forget the eyeliner. This. Liquid eyeliner. Eyelash curler. And my new favorite, Missha 4D. Look at this. Contouring part. Still Morphe. We're gonna be using this kind of brush. We're gonna blend, apply the foundation, highlighter, there, almost empty. I love this. 115. this has been Coco. Thank you guys for watching. And if you do like this video, please hit like, comment down below, and hit subscribe. As well as don't forget to check their website, rock&herb. And also follow me on my Instagram. It's Coco Manuel. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm always active on Instagram, so yeah, see you guys on my next video. This has been Coco. Bye.